And welcome back to the channel. So today I am wearing the eyeshadow quad from Bella Pierre that I unboxed in last month's Look Fantastic unboxing. So let me know in the comments what you think. I can tell you right now that it is a really nice pigment rich eyeshadow and it goes on very smoothly, and it has a shimmer to it. So let me know what you think. Now we can get down to business. The Stitch Fix May 2020 unboxing. Let's hope they got it right. Okay, here we go. I am going to open the box carefully so I don't cut anything. I don't know if you can see it. I'm opening it here for everybody to see. And let's see. I need to channel the Incredible Hulk to get this open. Okay, so once again, it is packaged up nice and neat inside the box. So the return label for any items or all of the items if I wish to return them. So keep this handy. And then, as always, this is the envelope full of the suggestions as well as my bill. Okay. So first things first is a Warehouse black t-shirt with a nylon mesh contrast top. And the bottom is a nice jersey rayon jersey blend that I can just tell. So that's number one. Number two is another black polka dot tank top. So we'll see how that looks. And then we have a royal blue high neck sleeveless blouse in a nice rayon. We have this very similar to the last dress in my last box, except this is a raspberry color. And finally, we have another pair of skinny Mauvette jeans, high-waisted denim. So I guess we'll see. I think what I can already tell, their focus is the waist up. So it is great to have a bunch of tops that will look great for video conferencing and also recording videos, because mostly you see me here from the waist up. So let's go try these on. Okay, first off, we have the first t-shirt, the kind of, I guess, elevated t-shirt concept design that I opened in the box, and I've tried it on with the denim. These denim are a capri length. Well, not capri lengths, but they sit slightly above my ankle. So they're a summer look. I like where they sit, but here's the denim. It's a stretch denim, so you can see it's a bit stretchy. And they go on, they seem a bit like they might be a bit small, but when you try them on, they expand to fit all the right places. So pardon the white bra underneath. You can probably see the straps. I think this would go much better with a dark colored bra or a bandeau underneath if you prefer that. It fits nice. We'll see how it looks, and love to hear in the comments what you think. Okay, here we have the royal blue sleeveless high neck blouse. And again, I think my stylist had in mind that I would be sitting in front of virtual meetings, Zoom, FaceTime, you name it. And I do like this color, tends to look well on me. I will let everybody know I'm just trying these on and running in front of the camera today, so I have no idea how things look. And I will be curious to see, after I get all of this footage onto the editing table, how things look. And I'm especially curious to see how flattering this denim is, and if it's something that that looks good. This, I can tell instantly, this shirt actually feels very comfortable. We'll see how it looks on. I do like the fact that this high neck does have some texture, because when we're dealing with just solid colors, I think texture within those colors helps break up the monotony. So, because solid colors tend to, when I look at them on camera, I like to break that up. So we'll see how this texture ends up either flattering this look or not. Okay, now we're on to the black polka dot tank top, camisole. We'll see what it is. So here is the black tank top, and it's a nice blouse. It has polka dots. I don't know if you can see those, but the polka dots are also in a shinier black. So it has dimension for being a solid color. It has texture. It has dimension right here in the way that this naturally falls. I think that really shows that this is a very quality piece, because the fabric is cut very well and very nicely. I will be curious to see how this comes up on camera when I'm editing. This piece can also be layered, and of course in the summer months, if and when you are out and about, you can put a jacket, a nice light jacket on, and easily take it off. Also great for working from home and doing meetings. You could dress it up like this, and then when you aren't meeting online with your team, you can take it off and work a bit more comfortably. And that's all for the tops in this box. Now let's go try on that very interesting piece, the raspberry colored dress that's eerily familiar to the teal dress that was in my box last month. Now, I feel that has still shades of the winter line that's trying to be unloaded. I would have much preferred to see a brighter summery spring piece, maybe in a green, a bright green, not a bright green, but like a rich grass green color, or yellow. So I'm a bit disappointed. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like on. But again, I think the goal with all of these fashion boxes is that your stylist gets everything right. That's when we get the best discount. So I guess we'll see. Maybe she knows something I don't, but I can tell you right now, I'm not really sure about this dress. Okay, here it is, the moment that I've been waiting for. This is the raspberry dress. I brought out 2 belts. This dress definitely needs a belt with it. So here it is with a silver belt, which is a much thinner belt. This gives it a more of a, pull that down there. You can kind of see this, yeah. You can kind of center that there. And of course you could dress this up with some court shoes, or actually you could throw on some sandals or even flip-flops with this dress. It does feel summery. It's a light fabric, and I guess we'll see how it looks on, and I'd love to hear what you think of any or all of these pieces. Total cost of all items in the box is total discount, and total discount with the 10-pound stylist discount. Here's a thicker gold belt as well, which would dress this up for work or evening, perhaps a date night. This is a comfortable in terms of a career dress and working from home. Perhaps if you have to do an interview online, maybe you're getting some online interviews for jobs, which would be great. I've heard some really amazing stories out there of people actually getting job offers during this time. So I hope to offer you some encouragement there if you're looking for work and maybe you need some pieces to do some of those virtual interviews as they're happening now. But I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. And that's it for now. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this Stitch Fix journey. And I would love to know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. I am going to continue my Stitch Fix and Look IRO deliveries through these uncertain times, and I've included a few discount codes in my description, as well as given a bit of detailed information about the pieces, the brands, and the cost. It's so much easier to have things just right at hand so we know. Again, this was my total savings, and this was my total cost of the box. I like Stitch Fix a lot compared to Look Aero, where you only have 5 days. Still, with Look Aero, only gives you 5 days to make a decision. Stitch Fix gives you 28 days right now, and that's really helpful. I received this box yesterday, so within 24 hours I'm trying things on, and I will be able to drop the box back off at my local Hermes drop-off if I don't want anything. But it's still really nice to be able to have that time just in case. When I received my Look Aero from last month, I had a lot going on, and I really didn't have time to do filming in those days, so it was a bit of a stretch to try to get everything tried on and to make a decision. As well as when you're posting on YouTube, it's really nice to have some time to get those comments and to hear what everybody thinks. With Look Aero, you only have 5 days, and that's not enough time to get the adequate comments. I know that's a bit of complaining, but perhaps somebody from Look Aero will get the message and maybe do some things to give their customers a little bit more time. Once you decide, you can take 2 weeks before you drop the package off. But I'd rather have at least a week to decide, and that would give me a lot more time to get advice from friends, from family, and to make that decision. But it is what it is. I'm still doing both, and I'm still hoping that one of my stylists will get everything right at one point. For now, that's all. If you haven't done so already, please click subscribe, and be safe, be well, and until next time, have a great day.